Saturday, guys. So today is Saturday, and I just finished having breakfast. It's around noon, but I guess that is what weekends are meant for, a day for you to just rest, relax, and laze around. So just had the most delicious breakfast. At least weekends I get to have time and prepare breakfast, and weekends are meant for pancakes. So either Saturday, Sunday, definitely having pancakes. But anyway, that's not what I wanted to update you on. There's a fundi who's coming in, and he's supposed to mount the curtain rods for me and also the mirror, and I'm looking forward to having the mirror mounted. So if you're not following me on IG, make sure you do. My handle is DIY with Jojo, and I did install wallpaper on the hallway, and I shared that part of the process on my IG stories, and also shared the mirror that I want to mount on that wallpaper. And what I'm looking forward to is having the gold mirror against now the black wallpaper. I can't wait. It will be so beautiful. So that is what is exciting me this weekend, and so that is it. And maybe afterwards I can go hang out with my friends, but yes, that is that. And I think it's this vlog that you'll see that I went shopping to Isili for shears, and I have not had shears for weeks. Yet weeks. This place has been looking like it's some other thing, but anyway, that is what I want to do. I want to put the shears up after we've done the curtain rods. But what we did is the window of the living room is carved, so it's that window. It's called bay window, bay or something. Yeah, I think bay window, but I'll google that and maybe I'll put the correct name. But there are those windows that are usually carved, so for that you have to do like a custom made curtain rod, and that is what I did. But now we used the wrong holders. We did not custom make the holders, so that is why the first time the fundi came, mounted it on the wall, it didn't sit well because the holders were not custom made. So he had to go back now, do like custom made holders, and that is what is coming to install today, so that I can be able finally to have my shears up. And the mirror, yes, the mirror is the most exciting thing. So let's wait for the fundi, and I think I'll update you guys when he gets here.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because of
So we've had to drill 2 extra holes because the 2 initial holes that were holding the wood could not accommodate the holder. So that's why we've had to do 2 extra holes. But the good thing is I have fillers and also white paint, so all this will be cleaned up. So from afar, this holder doesn't look straight, so coming in with a spirit level to confirm, and funny enough, it is straight. But I don't know, because from down there you can't tell if it's straight. Yeah, but I've confirmed it is straight. So we are doing the curtain rods on this other window, and we need to measure. So the whole so the size of the curtain rod is 1 meter, so that is what we're using. Hebu sema hiyo nini yako, calculation yako. 1,000
and then
1,000 minus 556.
556 divided by 2.
Okay, sawa. Sina kuta 2. Hapana, penye umemark ni nini? Ni angalia penye umemark na penye tape iko. Tututu iko hapa. So tututu ingine utajuaje?
Ndio hii hapa. To 1,000. So sasa penye unataka tuweke ndio tuna mark exact. Yeah.
Okay. Sawa basi.
We carry on, I rise from the ashes, I heal from your passion, my doubts are gone.
So I'm mixing in my filler. So this is just the normal filler that you get, and then I did put kidogo water, and I want to fix the holes that were on that side. The thing is, these are hard stone on that side, so that's why yani we just had to like redo them. But anyway, this is nothing that a filler can fix.
With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes, I heal from your passion, my doubts are gone. Yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes.
So guys, I want to mount a mirror
With pins.
here. But now the mistake I did is I used a white cloth that had paint, so that's why this side is white and then this other side is black. But I want to see how it looks after the mirror has been mounted, and then I can decide if I'll paint. But now the thing is, the cheapest paint, not the cheapest, the smallest paint you can get is 1 liter, and this space is tiny for 1 liter, and I don't think I'll be using a black paint anywhere else. So I want to see how it will be. Maybe I can even do like spray paint the parts that will be showing, but let's mount the mirror first and then see how it looks. To unmount the mirror until we get the right screws, because the mirror is heavy, as I mentioned before, and we're not sure if the screws that we've used are strong enough to hold the weight. So what you're going to do is get screws, and then we're going to add 2 more screws, and then the bottom screws were not holding well, so I think we're going to do even the bottom part and the top part. So that is a project for next week on Friday. Yeah, so hopefully then we can be able to mount the mirror well, and I can have the mirror, but I love the way it looked when it was mounted. It was just perfect. Yes, so can't wait. Keeping my fingers crossed, so by Friday next week I'll have it mounted. And yeah, so there's something wrong with the walls of this house, because I don't know, because this other side, now the sitting room area where we're trying to mount the curtain rod, I don't know, something was holding I think the wall was too strong, so you can't drill through it, because you drill kidogo, and then the deeper you go, now the wall can't be drilled. So I have not yet mounted the curtain rods on one side, and yeah, it's disappointing, but what can you do? There's nothing. At times umefika like mwisho. So hopefully we get to try again next week on Friday, maybe now with different kind of screws, and see how that one goes. But I'm loving the update so far, and I'll keep you guys posted. So that is it for now. So today is on Saturday. Kwanza, my plans have been messed up, because I thought this thing was supposed to be like 30 minutes max. We've been at it from around 1 and now it's 5. I don't have my watch, but I checked. It is around 5. And yeah, so that's how my day has been. We make plans, but things do happen, and you have to redo your plans. But anyway, that's life. I'll see you guys, I think, some other day, or next week when we're doing the continuation of this. Anyway, I'll keep you guys posted. Hi guys, this is the future Jojo here. As I was editing, I noticed that I didn't kind of give you like the after what we were doing, but worry not, next week's video is the hallway makeover, so it will have the mirror there, and also the lights and everything else. So if you did enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the red subscribe button below. I'll see you next week on Friday with the makeover video for the hallway. Bye bye.